Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I am going to show you how to set up a free blog on blogger.com from scratch. No coding, no hosting fees. By the end of this tutorial, you will have a live blog ready for your first post. Let's dive in. First of all, head to blogger.com and sign in with your Google account. Once you are in, click new post or delete existing post like that. Click new blog, then choose something memorable for blog title like fresh book one. The next blog address, pick a unique URL like my awesome blog dot blogspot.com. Theme, you can skip styling for now. Make your address short and keyword friendly. Click create new post, and just like that, Blogger comes with free templates. Let's pick one that fits your style. In the left sidebar, click theme, browse the simple and notable or contempo templates like Aqua. Now let's tweak colors, fonts, and layouts. Hit customize, then explore these sections. Background, upload an image or pick a color like that. Layout, choose two column or sidebar position. Advanced, adjust header font, body text size, link color. Once you are happy, click apply to blog in the top right, or in the bottom left, right, click save. Next, let's configure your blog's basics. Under settings tab, choose basic. Set your title and description from here. Under permissions, invite authors if you want contributors. Scroll to privacy and confirm your blog is visible to search engine. Write a concise description. This helps readers know what your blog is about. Time for content. Click post. New post. Here's how to craft your first entry. First of all, title. then body. Title for keep it catchy and clear. Body use headings, bullet lists, and images via the toolbar from here. Labels, add 2 to 3 tags like travel, recipe, or tutorials. Permalink, edit if you want a custom URL. Slack, like that. When you are ready, hit publish from the upper right corner, then click confirm. Let's add permanent pages like about or contact and sidebar widgets. Go to pages section, then new page, create about publish page, repeat for contact or other sections. Then before warping up, let's make sure people can find your blog. Under settings, go to search preferences. Add a meta description, enable custom robots.txt. If you know advanced SEO, finally share your RSS feed or link on social media using the share gadget. And that's it. You now have a fully functional free blog on blogger.com. From here, keep publishing great content, customize your theme more deeply, or even connect a custom domain under settings publishing. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more blogging tutorials. Drop a comment with your blog URL. I would love to check it out. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.